Watch as I take my eyebrows from this to this. I'm starting with a setup of a lighted mirror, tweezers, a spoolie, small hair scissors, and a tissue. I'm going to grab my tweezers and go ahead and attack the chin hairs. As we age, it's normal for women to experience shifts in their hormones, which can cause hairs to start to grow out of the chin and out of the neck, or even out of the cheek. Now I'm going to take my tweezers and clean up in between the eyebrows. Next, I will start to clean up any stray hairs that are underneath the brow and not part of the brow shape. I think I was around the age of 13 when I first got my eyebrows groomed. Up until that age, I had always lived with very woolly mammoth looking eyebrows, so I didn't know how to begin, so I went straight to the salon to an esthetician and had them professionally waxed. That was incredibly painful, and my eyebrows were bleeding all underneath the brow shape where she had pulled off the wax strips. After my initial eyebrow waxing experience, I went to a different esthetician, and this time she used tweezers instead of waxing. That was even more painful. She pretty much made my eyebrows exactly like hers, and they just looked like penciled on upside down smiles. Very thin, very unnatural for my face. Next, I'm going to grab the small hair scissors and the spoolie and just clean up the length of the eyebrows. Trimming the length of the eyebrows can prevent any random hairs from sticking out, sticking down, or above the eyebrow shape. I also like to brush the hairs down and see if there's any long hair sticking out from below. And now I'm going to go to the other brow and clean up the length of the hairs on this side. After a couple of years of going to professionals and getting my eyebrows shaped, I decided to learn how to do it myself. After many years of having eyebrows that were shaped a different shape than my natural brow, I decided to allow my eyebrows to completely recover and to start new. And then when I groomed them, I just followed the natural shape of the eyebrow. I just had a gut feeling that the natural shape is the way that it was supposed to be and would be the most complimentary. Clean up any excess hairs that I can see that I did not pluck on the first go around. Now I'm going to take my brow pencil. This is the NYX professional brow pencil with a spoolie on the end. I'm just going to take short, gentle strokes to mimic the natural shape of the eyebrow hairs. I've been using this eyebrow pencil for at least 5 or 6 years now, and I'm pretty happy with it. I've tried many different products, including waxes, tinted waxes, and pointier eyebrow pencils, and I find that this color mimics my natural brow color the most, and it's easy to apply and it stays pretty well. I follow this routine once a week, and that seems to be enough for me to maintain my eyebrows. And all I need to do in the morning is to take my brow pencil, fill in the sparse areas, and groom them with the spoolie, and then I'm good to go. So here are my finished, natural for my face eyebrows. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial and you were able to follow along. If you have any tips, tricks, or secrets for at-home eyebrow grooming, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next video.